We need coffee to wake up, just like our outfits need accessory to spark. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Classy and Savvy. In my last video, we dove into the essentials for building a versatile office wardrobe with the perfect clothing pieces. If you haven't seen it yet, be sure to follow this link above for all a must-have clothing item video. Today, we're moving to the second part of our office capsule wardrobe series, accessories essentials. An outfit's look is not completed without the finishing touches that elevate the outfit and add a touch of personal style to your work look. So let's get started. The first essential accessory I want to talk about is good quality belt. You might not think of it as an essential, but a good quality belt can really elevate your outfits with minimal effort. Not only it cinches the waist to create a more flattering body shape, but it also enhances the fit of your trousers and skirts. When shopping for the perfect belt, I would look for genuine leather or high quality alternatives. These high quality materials make sure that the belt is durable and has a refined appearance to it. Choose a belt width that suits your body type and outfit. I find that narrow belts around 1 to 1.5 inches are the most versatile and work well with most outfits. Depending on the look and the proportion, you can go with a wider belt for a bolder statement. When you start building your closet, choose belts in neutral colors like black, brown, or tan for maximum versatility. These colors pair easily with various outfits and you don't have to worry about them going out of trend. As for the design, opt for a simple, understated buckle. I normally would avoid large or flashy logos to keep your look professional and elegant. Ensure that the belts fit well and it has enough holes to adjust for comfort. For maximum versatility, choose a size that sits comfortably at both of your waist and your hips, so you can wear it with various bottoms, whether it is skirt, trousers, or jeans. For example, when you looking for a belt to pair with jeans, I would normally size up just because jeans are a little bit thicker and it's usually sit lower on your hip compared to a tailored trousers. Therefore, just by sizing up the belt, you can then now have more options to either wear it at your waist or your hip. A common way to pair a quality belt at work is to pair it with your tailored trousers. By adding the belt, it gives you more structure and helps define your waist even further, and therefore it enhances the overall silhouette. When choosing the belt, I would pay attention to whether how it matches or complements the color of your trousers. Go for a cohesive look. For example, I would pair a black belt with black trousers to create a seamless, polished appearance. You can also use a belt to cinch the waist of a dress. This technique works really well with both fitted and flowy dresses. The belt adds definition and creates an hourglass silhouette to this unstructured piece of dress. Another fun way to pair a belt is to implement in contrasting colors to add visual interest. For example, if you're wearing a navy solid dress, you can then pair it with a tan belt to add a subtle yet elegant contrast. Another creative way to use a belt is to layer it over an oversized blazer. This really helps elevate the outfit. It works particularly well with oversized blazer because the belt defines and enhances the waistline. Just by adding a belt, it transforms the look from relaxed to polished. Especially for a smaller frame, oversized clothes or blazers usually can overwhelm your body and you can get lost in the fabric. So then this is where the belt comes in handy as it redefines the silhouette for you. An office wardrobe would not be complete without a work tote. A structured tote bag is both practical and stylish for the office. It offers plenty of space for work essentials like laptop, documents, and personal items, all while keeping a sleek and professional look. When looking for a work tote, pick a size that suits your daily needs without it being too bulky. It's important to make sure that your work tote can fit all the essentials like your laptop, notebooks, documents, and any other personal belongings that you need throughout a day. Opt for high quality materials like leather or durable synthetic fabrics. These materials ensure that the tote can withstand daily wear and tear, and therefore it extends its lifespan and functionality, and you just get the most use out of the bag. As an office worker, I love a bag with practical features like multiple compartments and pockets, as this helps me stay organized and easily access what I need throughout the day. Features like padded laptop compartments, keychain hooks, or secure zipper closures are great additions to the bag's functionality. Now, one thing to be considered about is a big tote can feel like a bottomless pit where you just keep tossing stuff in, and this is why it's super important to designate specific pockets for smaller items like your phone, keys, pens, and miscellaneous. This way, you can easily find what you need when you need it. For a person with a small frame, I do not like carrying a heavy bag, so I really skim down my essentials to the bare minimum. In my bag, I have a wallet, a notebook, a small pouch for my personal care items, and another pouch for other office essentials like headphones, pens, hand sanitizer, and business cards. I love utilizing pouches to keep my personal care items organized. One key thing to look for when you shop for a work tote is the handles and straps must be comfortable for you to carry, whether by hand or over the shoulder. The handle drop should be low enough for you to easily slip your hand through. The handle shouldn't slide up easily, even when you're wearing the bag over a bulky jacket. Also, check that the straps are sturdy enough to support the weight of everything you carry in the bag. The last thing you want is for the strap to rip and everything inside it got exposed on the ground. And of course, for optimal versatility, stick with neutral colors like black, tan, beige, or navy. I find that neutral colors go well with any color scheme and outfit, and therefore it makes getting ready in the morning very streamlined, where you just need to grab the bag with everything inside and just get out the door. Last but not least, let's talk about my favorite accessories of all time: jewelry. We all have a little spark in our life, and there is nothing better to add personality to your outfit by pairing it with your favorite statement jewelry. I normally stick with minimalist and classic pieces to elevate my look without being overly distracting. Think pearl earrings, a simple pendant necklace, a minimal chunky chain, or just a classic watch. These are all great choices to add refinement and sophistication without looking too much. When shopping for the perfect statement jewelry for the workplace, it's better to invest in a few high-quality pieces than to have many inexpensive ones. I suggest buying solid gold if your budget allows. If not, choose gold vermeil or gold-plated jewelry. The high-quality materials make sure the piece lasts longer and it doesn't tarnish easily with moisture and sweat. When wearing statement jewelry, keep the rest of your accessories minimal to avoid overwhelming your entire look. I normally would wear jewelry as the last step because you want to make sure your jewelry is complementary to your overall outfit. The metals should be matching and the colors should go with the undertone of your outfit to create a cohesive and elegant look. For example, yellow gold jewelry will go with warm toned outfits, and white, gold, or silver would go better with cool toned outfits. Make sure that you choose pieces that resonate with your personal style while looking professional. Your jewelry should enhance your outfit and showcase your personality without being too loud. That's it for today's video on office capsule wardrobe essentials for accessories. I hope you found these tips helpful for elevating your work outfits with the perfect finishing touches. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fashion and shopping tips. Let me know your favorite accessory essentials by leaving a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay classy and savvy. Bye!